If you're a business in Houston, your cybersecurity is at risk. Let's talk solutions. In December 2024, the popular Web3.js NPM library was hit by a supply chain attack. Malicious actors injected backdoors into specific versions, leading to private key theft and drained cryptocurrency wallets. Scary stuff, right? But don't panic. Impress IT Solutions in Houston has your back. Our experts specialize in protecting businesses from these evolving cyber threats. We provide comprehensive cybersecurity services from open-source risk management to endpoint protection. We audit your dependencies, flag suspicious updates, and secure developer accounts. Imagine this, an attack hits, but with our rapid incident response, we contain and remediate the threat, keeping your business safe. The Web3.js attack is a wake-up call. Update your dependencies, implement least privilege access, and train your team. And most importantly, partner with Impress IT Solutions. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Impress IT Solutions today and let us handle your cybersecurity challenges so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. Stay safe, stay secure.